Welcome to this tutorial on using Azure Database Migration Service. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of migrating your databases to Azure. Using this powerful tool. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Database Migration Service is a fully managed service that enables you to migrate your databases from various sources, including on-premises and other cloud providers, to Azure with minimal downtime. The service supports a wide range of database sources and targets, including SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. To get started, you'll need to create an instance of the Azure Database Migration Service. This can be done through the Azure portal by searching for Database Migration Service and following the prompts to create a new instance. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as the name and location of the service, as well as the pricing tier you want to use. Once your instance is created, you can start the migration process by creating a new migration project. This involves selecting the source and target databases, as well as the type of migration you want to perform. There are two types of migrations: offline and online. Offline migrations involve migrating the database while it's offline, which can take several hours or even days to complete, depending on the size of the database. Online migrations, on the other hand, allow you to migrate the database while it's still online, which minimizes downtime. After you've created your migration project, you'll need to provide more detailed information about your source and target databases. This includes the connection details, such as the server name, database name, and authentication credentials. You'll also need to select the specific databases and objects you want to migrate. Once you've provided all the necessary information, you can start the migration process. The Azure Database Migration Service will take care of the rest, including assessing the database for any potential issues, transferring the data, and applying any necessary changes to the target database. Throughout the migration process, you can monitor the progress and view any errors or warnings that occur. This allows you to quickly identify and resolve any issues that may arise. Best practices for using Azure Database Migration Service include testing your migration in a non-production environment before migrating your production database, and using the service's built-in assessment and reporting tools to identify any potential issues before starting the migration. In conclusion, Azure Database Migration Service is a powerful tool that makes it easy to migrate your databases to Azure with minimal downtime. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using best practices, you can ensure a successful migration and take advantage of the many benefits that Azure has to offer.